Hi Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection Energy reading. The bonus reading for January 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay Capricorn, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy for your soulmate and twin flame connection. The bonus reading for January 2021. Let's see what we have for you here Capricorn. Also Capricorn, please note that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If the message does not resonate with you, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to like, share and leave a comment on the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. So let's look at into your person energy here Capricorn. Channel message. Okay Capricorn, so on this side will be your energy and on this side will be your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa here. So let's look at into your energy first here Capricorn. I've got the Four of Cups, I've got the Knight of Swords, and I've also got the Six of Cups coming up here. Oh sorry, the sign that I'm getting for you here, I'm getting a very strong air sign, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. I'm also getting a very strong Leo energy here, so fire sign, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. So looking at your energy here Capricorn, the first thing that I'm getting here is that you want to rush to come towards your person with this Knight of Swords energy coming up here. I do feel like you are just done overthinking and you just like done daydreaming and just like wondering and what is going on, overthinking and over worrying here, because I've also got the Four of Cups energy coming up for you. So you kind of like, okay, this is it, I'm just tired of like waiting and waiting and waiting. I just want to come and rushing towards them, and I just want to know like what is it that they're actually thinking about me, like what I can do to like finally fix this connection, like what can I do to finally be together here. So this kind of energy is coming up very, very strongly from your side here Capricorn. So you're just like wanting to come and rush towards them, because I feel like both of you here have been in a separation for quite a long time and you are like starting to miss them very, very much. I would say like this missing energy has been quite intense for you lately, and you just feel like, okay, this is it, I do not want to care about anything anymore. I just like want to come and rushing towards them and like let's see, whatever happen, like that kind of energy is what I'm getting coming up from your side here. And I've also got the Strength energy coming up here. So I feel like the best thing that you can do at this point of time here is, at least when you do this communication, or at least when you want to approach them here Capricorn, make sure you're doing that with a clear mind as well as with a positive energy. Do not do that with this obsessiveness energy, and do not do this with the like how do I say it here, like that obsessiveness and also like feeling sad and negative energy, I would say here, because those kind of energy can be felt from your person as well. Like your person can also feel that energy, and this is might be putting them off. So with this Strength energy coming up here, so before you do, or before you text and communicate to your person, or at least like calling them or meeting them here, make sure that you are being strong, relying on the divine strength instead of relying on your own strength, is the main message that I've got here. And I've also got the Knight of Wands coming up here as well. So try to not be defensive, especially when you want to confront them and you like say, hey look, this is it, we both have made a mistake, so let's try to work on this and see like what can we do out of it here. So if you want to come from that energy here Capricorn, that's totally fine, but do not become defensive yourself, in a sense that do not put all the blame to your person, because this is just going to put them off as well. So come from the place of expressing yourself in a positive way, as well as expressing your emotion in a positive way as well. I would also suggest you to do some guided meditation on your throat chakra before actually approaching them or before actually reaching out towards them. This is definitely going to make the interaction going smoother, I would say here. Capricorn. And like I said, do not come from the place of obsessiveness or like feeling negative energy, because with this Knight of Pentacles, things are definitely going to move in a gradual process, I would say here. The thing here is that I do not want you to feel stressed. I do not want you to get, okay, why is it that they're taking so much time to reply to me? Like why I like they are not replying to me, so I'm such a fool, I shouldn't have done that, like I do not want you to go into that particular thinking here, because just give them time after you texting them to actually read and reply towards you as well. Like just be patient on that. So try to not come from the place of obsessiveness energy coming up here very, very strongly, Capricorn. Now looking at your person energy here, I've got the Six of Wands, I've got the World 3 energy here, and then I've also got the Magician energy coming up here as well. I feel like there is a major challenge, or there was a major challenge in your person life, which is, like finally coming up to the end, especially with this World energy coming up here. Like a major event has come to a completion in your person life, I would say here, Capricorn, especially with this legal system and legal issues. So either they are getting divorced, like they're finally completing this karmic situation and this karmic contract in their life here, like getting a separation or getting divorced. But basically something major is coming up to the end in your person life here. And this is also why I've got the Sun energy coming up here as well, Capricorn. So with this a completion of a cycle here, this is what the new beginning is going to come into your person life here. I feel like they are stuck in a, like they're definitely stuck in some challenges, I would say here. They're definitely stuck in some challenges or in some karmic contracts, and that energy is coming up to the completion, I would say here, the completion of a cycle of their karmic contract, I would say here, Capricorn. And now with this Magician energy or this Witch energy, this is like them manifesting this new beginning in their life, full of victorious outcome and full of positive outcome, I would say here, Capricorn. So this is also another good energy coming up from your person here. Like I said, look at this, the channel message: I'm working on building our future together, legal system and legal issue, and be grounded in faith. So you're basically being asked to be grounded in faith and having that faith energy. Of course, if you want to text them, if you want to communicate with them, yes, go ahead, this is definitely your sign, I would say here. But try to not do that in a rushing manner, and also try to not do that when you are feeling sad and when you are becoming obsessed with this whole situation. So for example, just because everyone has been telling you that, okay, they're going to message you, but you haven't heard anything from them, and you're trying to control the energy here by messaging them first. This is what, like causing the clash, I would say here, like making them, because they might not be ready at that time when you message them. So try to be open with whatever response that you would get. But there's definitely going to be a major shift coming up between both of you here, Capricorn. At this point of time, they are definitely stuck in some challenges, in some karmic contracts, and that karmic contract will be coming up to an end, or will be coming up into this into the completion. And I've also got the legal system and legal issues. So for some of you here, either you or your person could still be dealing with some sort of like legal system and legal issue, like divorce, child custody, child support, and all those energy here. So be grounded in faith. They definitely want to be with you. Look at this. I'm working on building our future together, and look at this. Karmic situation, family issue, and family upbringing. So some of them could also still be stuck in this karmic situation. Like I said, they are stuck in some challenges or karmic situation, and this karmic situation could also be some family issues and family upbringing here. And that energy is coming up to the end. That energy is coming up to the completion, I would say here, Capricorn. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye bye.